bagamat binawasan ang permanent residency program sa Quebec. Isang kababayan ang nagbahagi ng kanyang kwento, inspirasyon daw sa mga nagnanais subukan ang Francophone immigration sa pag-asang makatulong sa kanilang tinatrabahong PR application. Narito ang report. Nagsaraman ang Quebec Experience Program at pilot programs ng probinsya noong Enero. Ayon sa government website, ilang mga lugar pa rin ang tumatanggap ng aplikasyon sa ilalim ng Francophone Community Immigration Pilot. Kaya ng Acadian Peninsula sa New Brunswick, Sudbury, Timmins at Superior East Region sa Ontario, St. Pierre-Jolie sa Manitoba at Kelowna sa BC.
When they had a draw, in the French category base, French language proficiency category base, 14,000 na yung invitations na pandala nila. So yeah, if they can do it, go for it. I know it's very challenging, but if this is a way to increase your points, if you're gonna look at yung mga draw nila, under the general draw, Canadian Experience Class, the lowest was 508. Mataas pa rin. Even yung ano nila. And then compared to the French, the last time they had a draw sa French language proficiency on March 4, 397. That first draw for the year on, I believe, February 6, French language proficiency, 400.
Pero ayon kay Marjorie Newman, isang immigration consultant sa Calgary, mainam pa rin kahit sa labas ng mga nabanggit na rural area na mag-aral at kumuha ng French language proficiency tests na TEF o TCF.
It doesn't only apply to those who are in Canada. It could apply to those who are outside Canada. Because, for example, what if a candidate or an applicant meets the Federal Skilled Worker Program, right? And then meets show a minimum score of 7 or above 7, 8, 9. How about those French-speaking countries, right? They don't have to be in Canada because the requirement is you meet one of the 3 immigration programs in Express Entry. So Federal Skilled Worker Program, the work experience can be inside Canada or outside Canada.
Bilang second language ng country na to, na-realize ko na whatever happens, it will benefit me din naman.
Sa Burnaby, mula March 2024, nag-umpisa na ring mag-aral ng wikang Pranses ang asawa ng isang international student na si Sam Antonio.
Nakita namin na, malaki pala yung points na pwedeng ibigay ng PR pathway ng French. So naisip namin na pagbutihin ko yung pag-aaral at if I reach a certain level, we could explore it as an option for our PR pathway.
Dahil sa mga pabago-bagong polisiya at tila paghihigpit sa immigration ng Canada, maraming immigrants ang abala sa paghahanap ng mga opsyon tungo sa permanent residency. Di man garantisado ang inaasam na PR status kapag natutong mag-Pranses at naipasa ang French language test, payo ni Antonio sa mga nais pa ring sumubok.
Investment talaga yung pag-aaral ng French, both sa time and also sa financial resources. For us, talagang nag-allot kami ng budget for this kasi alam namin na this is where our immigration depends on. So ito talaga yung basehan kung makakapag-stay kami sa Canada or hindi. And alam naman natin na nagbabago-bago yung policies ng immigration. Minsan, after a few months, biglang mag-iiba yung standard, yung points na kailangan, etc. And so, sometimes it's a race against time din.